Welcome back to Cycling Secrets. This video we're going to have a quick look at cornering. There's more than one way to corner on a bike, and which method you choose will depend on a range of factors, including your level of skill, the visibility you've got, the camber and consistency of the corner you're going around, and the sharpness of that corner, and your speed and any other riding conditions. Cornering is all about shifting weight, but however you're doing it, there's some general advice that you should always use. Drop your torso to lower your center of gravity. This will mean getting into the drops usually. Anticipate the safe speed you can take the corner before you hit it, and slow if necessary. This is dependent on the corner sharpness, the road surface wetness, other riders around you or traffic. When choosing a line around your corner, wherever possible you want to cut into the corner late and use the outside, inside, outside line, seen here. This will give you the greatest visibility and maximize your speed through the corner. So approach a corner wide, cut into it late. You should be endeavoring to hit the apex of the corner and come out of the corner wide on the other side. Of course, in doing this safely, you need to pay close attention to traffic and the road surface, but looking where you want to go will give you greater control. Let's have a look at the different kinds of cornering, or the different techniques. The most common method is leaning, where you angle both yourself and the bicycle. This is a suitable method when you can choose your line around the corner, the road is relatively wide, and you have good visibility. To lean through a corner effectively, just move your weight slightly back in the saddle. Ensure your inside pedal is up and your outside pedal is down. If the corner is sharp and you continue pedaling and the inside pedal is down, you risk hitting it on the road. Put your weight onto the outside pedal, and pointing your inside knee towards the apex of the corner will shift your center of gravity inside the tire line, which will also help. The next technique is counter steering, and this is a great technique for when you need to correct your direction within the turn. So it's good for descents and uncertain or changing corners, or whatever the conditions may change suddenly, possibly where there's other riders or traffic around you. The idea is to lean the bike more than your body. To counter steer effectively, you need to keep your body vertical and incline the bike beneath you. This is most easily done by extending your inside arm and pressing on your inside hand. Changing the downward weight on the inside hand will give you greater control. You can push down to increase the angle of the turn and lighten it to reduce. The final technique is steering, and this is less commonly used, but it is useful to learn for conditions that are slippery or with an uneven surface, where leaning the bike could result in it slipping out from underneath you. Essentially, you're going to keep the bike vertical and turn the handlebars. It will feel a bit awkward to begin with, but as with all skills, it's worth developing because it gives you a better understanding of how your bike works and how you work with it. You need to keep your bike relatively vertical, shift your weight forward and slightly to the inside, push down and forward with your outside arm, and so turn the handlebars into the corner. I know we say this every time in almost every video, but it bears repeating. Practice and playing with these techniques will give you added skills, abilities and awareness on the bike, so be deliberate about practicing them. Find some quiet road and practice cornering with all of these different techniques. Learning how your bike works and how you work with it will keep you safer, more aware, and more confident. Okay, thanks again. See you next time, and remember, whatever you want, whatever you need, let us know.